Hey guys, Jeff Cook here. I got to tell you about our newest promotion. You're going to love this. If you're thinking of signing up for real estate school, you need to talk to us first because we are running a promotion right now with free real estate school. That's right, it's paid for you up front. This isn't a you pay and we reimburse you. This is you don't pay anything up front. We actually pay the cost for you to go to real estate school at our sister company, which is called SouthCarolinaRealEstateSchool.com. You can get more information there. It's interesting because the way that this will work is we will pay Jeff Cook Real Estate on your behalf the $649 tuition for you to go to both the Unit 1 and Unit 2, the 90-hour course, the whole course that you need to become a real estate agent. We will pay for that course for you to go to. The only request that we have is that you ultimately decide to join us and sell 2 houses with us within your first 12 months. That's right, so you go to real estate school, we cover the whole cost. The only thing we ask in return is that you become a real estate agent with us and sell 2 houses with us in the first 12 months. And we will cover the entire tuition for you, no other strings attached other than that. If you want more information, jeffcookrealestate.com or SouthCarolinaRealEstateSchool.com. You can sign up for your free real estate school tuition and let's go!